Hey guys, this is Ritik and you're watching TechieTune. Today we are going to talk about the latest Android 10 update released by Asus for Zenfone Max Pro M1. So let's begin. Asus has pushed up another Android 10 update. Probably it's another beta version. I have gone through the changelog. It doesn't state that it is a stable version. It's a developer version. The download link of the update I have provided in the description box. After downloading the update, it is being downloaded in files. Just go to the files. The zip file you will find there. Just copy it and paste it in the internal memory. After pasting it, just reboot your system. Make sure you take your all the personal data backup so that nothing is lost, and do remove your fingerprints, pins and everything. Now the phone is booted. We will get a notification of system file detected. So let's update it. Yeah, it's booted. Okay, it's finalizing the last boot. Finalizing system update. Yes, the system updated successfully. So let's check the settings. Where is settings? Yes. Yeah. About phone. This build number. See, it's an Android 10 and the security patch level is 5th June. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.